Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Ram. Om Madaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnam Mudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyati Ishavasam Idam Sarvam Yat Kinchit Jagatyam Jagat Tena Taktina Bhanjitha Ma Gridha Kasasi Dhanam Kurvan Nevaha Karamani Jiji Visechatang Samaha Evang Tai Nannati Tusti Nakarma Dipati Nare Namati Loka Andhena Tamasa Britaha Tang Se Prittabhi Gachanti Jike Chatmo Hanu Jana Manaso Javiyo Naina Deva Apravan Purvamarsa Tadhyavatanyanattiti Tishtat Tasmin Napo Matarisha Dadhoti Tadejati Tannaijati Tadbhure Tadantike Tadantarasya Sarvasya Tadu Sarvasasya Bhayataha Bhutani Atmaneva Pashyati Sarvabhuteshu Chatmanam Tato na Bijugupsati Jasmin Sarvani Bhutan Natma Vivaiva Bhut Vijanataha Tatra Ko Moha Ka Shoka Ekatyam Manupassataha. Again repeat. Om Sa Pujyagat Chukram Akayam Avarnam Asnavidam Siddhyam Apapavidyam Kabir Manishi Paribhu Swayambhur Jathatya Jatha Tatthato Arthyan Badadhat Chasatibhya Samabhya Sa Pariyagach Chukram Akayam Abranam Asnaviram Sudhyam Apapavidyam Kabir Manishi Paribhu Swayambhur Jathata Atthatu Arthyan Badadhat Chasatibhya Samabhya. This verse is little difficult. So, chant and it will come. Yes. Abhyasa yogena. Abhyasa yogena. Arjuna says that it is impossible for me. So Krishna said, Abhyasa yogena. Abhyasa yogena means practicing, repeated. Abhyasa yogena. So everything is possible by Abhyasa yoga. Yoga, you have heard the name of yoga. The practicing is also yoga. Abhyasa yoga yuktena. Chetusa nannagamina. one who practices continually and does not allow the mind to go anywhere, he becomes successful. Sa Pariyagat Chakram Akayam Avaranam Asnavidam Siddhyam Apapavidyam Kabir Manisi Paribhu Sambhur Jatha Tattro Arthyan Badadhat Chasatibhya Samabhya. Try to chant. Badadhat chasatibhya samabhya. Badadhat chasatibhya samabhya. Again. Sa Samabhya. Sa Pariyagat Chakram Akayam Avaranam Asnabhyam Siddhyam Apapavidyam Kabir Manisi Paribhu Sambhur Jatha Tatho Arthyan Badadhat Chasatibhya Samabhya. So you try to understand the meaning. So that person, Pariyagat, must know in fact. Sukram, the omnipotent. Akayam, unembodied. Abranam, without any reproach. Asnavidam, without any veins. Siddhyam, antiseptic. Apapavidhyam, prophylactic. Kabir, omniscient. Manishi, philosopher. Paribhu, the greatest of all. Sambhur, self-sufficient. Jathartha arthya, just in pursuance of. Arthyan, desirables. Badadhat, awards. Shashratibhya, immemorial. Samabhya, time. So this verse you will read. It is important. Such person must know in fact the greatest of all, who is unembodied, omniscient. That is the distinction between God and ourselves. We are embodied. This body is different from me. Therefore, when I leave this body becomes dust, thou art dust. That thou means this body. I am not dust, I am spirit, soul. So, Krishna is not embodied. He has no difference between his body and his soul. His soul and body the same. He does not change his body because he hasn't got material body. And because he does not change body, he remembers everything. We change body. Therefore we do not remember what had happened in our last birth. We have forgotten who was. Just like even in sleep, When we forget our body, we forget our all, I am to say, environments. While sleeping or dreaming, you are in a dreamland. You don't remember even that you have got this body. Every day, every night, this is being experienced. Because this body, I am not body. The body becomes tired, it sleeps, or it is inactive. But as I am, I work, I dream, I go somewhere, I fly, or I create another kingdom, another body, another environment. This we experience every day, every night. It is not difficult to understand. Similarly, in every life we create a different environment. In this life, I may think I am Indian, you may think you are American, or next life a different position. Next life, I may not be American, or I may not be Indian. And even I become American, I may not be a man. I may be a cow or bull, and then I am sent to the slaughterhouse. You see, this is going on. This is the problem. Always changing body, bhutta praliyat. It is serious position. Wow, we should take this life very seriously. That I am changing my body, life after life. I have no fixed position. I do not know where I am put within these 8,400,000 species of life. So I must make a solution. And that solution is, Krishna says, Jadgatyana nivartanti tadhama paramam. Mamupita kontiya dukkhalayam asasatam napnuvanti mahatmana. If anyone somewhere or other, by developing Krishna consciousness, he comes to me, he hasn't got any more to go back and accept a material body. He gets the same body as Krishna, Sachidananda Vigraha. So, we should very seriously execute this Krishna consciousness without any deviation, very seriously. We should not be neglectful, that this is passion or something imposed. No, this is the most important function. Human life is meant simply for developing Krishna consciousness. He has no other business. But unfortunately, we have created so many engagements so that we forget Krishna consciousness. This is called Maya. This is called Maya. We are forgetting our real business. We are engaged in so many business. Misleaders. Andhajathandhai rupaniyama. The rascal blind leaders are leading to hell. Devi satantra rudamni badhya. All of them are tied up by the stringent rules and regulation of the material nature, and they have become leader. They do not like any authority. This is called Maya. This is called Maya. They are being misled. Still they are following them. This is called Maya. So, try somewhere or other. You have come in contact with Krishna. So, catch him very tightly. Mami vaja prapaddanti, mayami tang taranti. If you catch very tightly Krishna's lotus feet, then Maya will not be able to do any harm. Thank you very much. Chant Hare Krishna. Govinda Mali